is Butter Rican. I've been gone for a while, but I'm coming back today with an unboxing. So, for a past month or so, I really been wanting MCM purse. And I was going back and forth about it because everybody knows I love Louis Vuitton. And I love the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I have all three in GM, and that's my favorite bag because I carry a lot of stuff. But I kind of wanted the MCM bag because my friend ended up getting an MCM bag, and she was just raving and bragging about the quality of the MCM bag that looks like the Neverfull. And she was like, it's better quality, Ken. You gotta try it. You gotta get you one. You're gonna fall in love with it. And plus, Louis Vuitton prices keep on going up every year. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try out this MCM bag. So right now, this is what I'm carrying: the Neverfull GM and the Damier Ebene print. And this is like my favorite bag because it's like treated leather, so I don't have to worry about it getting messed up in the rain. And we had a lot of rain this week and today. The weather was horrible. So my bag that I ordered, my MCM bag, came today. It was actually supposed to come on Tuesday, but I wasn't here to sign for it, so I got it today. So I already opened the box, but I didn't look at the bag. So I'm gonna look at the bag with y'all and I'm see. So y'all can't see my address. Let me see. So they had it stuffed with, paper, like always. The box was small to me, but I didn't get the really big one. I didn't get the GM, I got like the medium size one. So I'm also worried about that because everybody know when I buy a bag, I buy the biggest bag. But I wanted a certain color, and this color only comes in medium, so that's why I got it. So this is how the bag came. It's actually on the reverse side. I hope it hasn't been used. And I end up ordering it from Neiman Marcus. So let's see. I thought it would have came in a dust bag instead of plastic, but we'll see what's up. So it's on the reverse side, and that's another thing about MCM. It's like you get 3 bags for the price of 1. So it has all this paper in it. And this is the price tag. So the actual price of this bag is $6.95. I did not pay $6.95 for it because I actually went on I think it's called Ebates, and it was 20% off. Plus I had a Neiman Marcus card, so I saved money because I used a card. So I think I ended up spending like $5 something. I'm not sure exactly how much, and then shipping was free. And I also got points or whatever, so I'm supposed to get a gift card. So this is what I really love about this bag. Like you get, like I said, 3 bags for the price of 1. So this is like considered a purse. And so with the Neverfull, the pouch is a little smaller. Let me see if I can show you the difference. Taking a little while because it's attached to the side. Oops. I'll take that off later. So this what comes in the Neverfull. So you actually get like a full bag. This isn't really a full bag. So that's what I really like about it. And it has like the same print as this outside part. But you can't reverse these. So That's nice. And you know, they give you this basically like you get a year warranty, 1 year warranty, limited warranty. So if your leather or something messes up, they'll give you another bag. So I want to see what the other side looks like. So let me reverse this. It's very stiff. So this is what the bag looks like. It is really, really nice. And I wanted this gold color, but I wish they would have had it in the large. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep this bag because this bag looks so small and I carry a lot of stuff. So I don't know if this is going to work for me. So I have to kind of like pack my bag to see if I'm going to have to get the larger one. So if I get the larger one only comes in the cognac color, black, and I think pink. So I would probably have to get the black one if this doesn't work. And I don't want cognac. But I don't know. I'm going to have to do a review on it to let you guys know. Like, this is small for me. Really, really small. So that's my unboxing. I will tell you guys after I use it and see. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one. I might have to, you know, switch it out for the big one. But I'll let you guys know the difference between the Neverfull GM Louis Vuitton and the MCM, what is this? Liz Tote. And the material does feel a little better than, well, it feels a whole lot better than the Neverfull, but I will let you guys know in the next video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Stay safe and stay corona free.